It was a riot. It was hilarious. Everybody was laughing.
But a pattern, one that Robinson feels is distinctive.
I'm looking for a guy that's probably a police buff, posing as a police officer, handcuffing these girls, in my opinion.
On the next Nero Wolf.
I'll see you at lunch.
How could a low cholesterol diet?
You came here to cook trout?
Kill you?
The fish were not fresh.
Sound fishy?
Your being here stinks to high heaven.
Then don't eat the trout.
He's dead.
Unless you're immune to murder. An all-new Nero Wolf. Sunday on A&E.
There are those who travel and those who travel well. New cultural icons on Biography, presented by Lincoln. To learn more about this special series and to vote for your favorite new cultural icon, log on to biography.com/icons.
The all-new 2003 Lincoln Navigator. There are those who travel, and those who travel well.
Comfortable, casual clothes everyone loves. Hanes Comfort, it's a beautiful thing.
How would you like to be seen? Artsy, traditional, anything but ordinary? The right pair of glasses from Pearl Vision lets you decide. And now you have even more choices. Buy one pair of glasses, get a free pair for you or your child, just in time for school. Select from hundreds of fashion frames and look as cool, bright, or mature as you choose. Come as you are, leave as you want to be. And Pearl Vision accepts most vision care plans.
For firmer, more beautiful skin, Neutrogena Visibly Firm Makeup with active copper replenishes copper, a natural collagen-building mineral essential for firm skin. With natural-looking coverage, it's a beautiful way to firmer skin. Visibly Firm Makeup. Beautiful, beneficial. Neutrogena.
BMW Roadsters.
The Purple Parrot is experiencing growing pains. The Purple Parrot, 1388 Beach Boulevard, Jacksonville Beach, is bursting at the seams with merchandise ordered for their new expansion showroom. So now's your chance to take home some of the many beautiful sale items during this expansion sale. Mirrors, artwork, lamps, and accessories are marked down for this sale, and you can still try before you buy. But hurry before someone else takes it home first. The Purple Parrot Expansion Sale, 1388 Beach Boulevard in Beaches Plaza, Jacksonville Beach.
They rose up to do the remarkable.
We were made of the right stuff.
Minute by minute. Wednesdays on A&E.